What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the background of any image in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is the image I'm going to be working with today. I'm going to make it full screen. There is actually a few methods in which you can do this. I'm going to show you the easiest method first. So you want to go over to the eraser tool and then right click on it and select the magic eraser tool. You might want to play with the tolerance because that is the tolerance to the colors it cuts out. So if I change it to like 10, it won't cut out as much. Okay, but before you edit your background, you just want to go over to your layers section, right click on the background layer and duplicate that layer, and then make the background layer not visible. Just so if you make any mistakes, you can always go back to your original image. Okay, so I'm going to keep tolerance at 75 like I said, and click on the space that I would like to get rid of in the background, and there we go. So we've basically gotten rid of the background. We can go ahead and fix up all these bits and stuff like that. There we go, her head looks a bit funny, but the background's gone. But that's how you use the background eraser tool. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and use the lasso tool. So with this, we're going to select the bit of the image that we want to cut out of the background by drawing around it, like so. I'm just clicking and holding and then dragging around the area. You can take much more care with this. Alright, so after you've selected the bit of the image you want to keep, you want to go select, inverse, or press Shift Control I, and then press the delete key, and this will delete the background layer. And then to deselect everything, press Control D, and there we go. Okay, so the last method I'm going to be showing you guys is the quick selection tool. So with this, we're just going to select the bit of the image we want to keep again. You can make the radius larger by pressing the square brackets on your keyboard. I'm going to keep it a bit smaller. Remember, with this, if you do select something you don't want like that, go up to the top left here and select this, the negative thing, and it deselects things. So you can just use that to touch up all the bits that you didn't want in. Like the lasso tool, we're going to go select and then inverse, and then press the delete key on our keyboards. Okay, and there we go. Control D to deselect, and that is it. You can touch it up like I said before if you like. If this video did help you, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. If you would like to support the channel, please consider donating to the Bitcoin wallet, which is in the description down below. Your support is greatly appreciated. That is it from me, everybody. Peace out.